Hi there. I told you that class was not going to be meeting and you thought you would get away without having to look at this face for an entire week, but I thought it might be nice to touch base with you. I'm making this little bit of a video to try to point you in the direction that we're going to be going this week. So far this semester, we've explored cognitive development by looking at language and learning how the brain is affected by self, social influences, morality of the learner, differences in various needs, all of the pieces that we've covered so far. We've also looked at how learning can be affected by diversity, by culture, influences in the classroom. We also discussed behaviorism with its emphasis on classical and operant conditioning and various cognitive views of learning, sensory memory, working memory, etc. In addition, all of the assignments that you've completed so far have helped connect you with course content, as have the assessments. And I'm hoping you will see that this is a cyclical process, a cycle that we create as teachers by using our assignments, our assessments, and the activities we do in class, including reading your text, to help you connect with course content. We've already completed a significant amount of work. I don't know if you realize it, but we're halfway through the semester now. And as much as you've learned so far, you will learn that much more by the end of the semester. And hopefully in the next few weeks, everything will start pulling together and begin to make a lot more sense. Cluster 8 was the beginning of our journey into a more complex contemporary view of how we look at learners in a different way in our classrooms. This week, we shift our focus from learning as a theoretical perspective and look more at how the learner, him or herself, constructs education and meaning. This week's assessment is one essay question, and here's what it says. Describe cognitive and social constructivism. What implications do constructivist perspectives have for you as a teacher? Include some mention of the following: inquiry and problem-based learning, cognitive apprenticeships and reciprocal teaching, and collaboration in the classroom. What types of group activities can you as a teacher use? Name 3. There are 3 very specific group activities mentioned in the text, and those are the ones I want you to discuss. How would each of these group activities increase learning? How can you use cooperative learning wisely in your future classroom? Finally, how can a constructivist teacher incorporate the use of computers in the classroom? As you read your text, I want to challenge you to a little something. This last week in class, I modeled for you a way that you can help your students increase comprehension through reading text and then jotting down notes, which have questions, concerns, issues, or maybe thoughts as you're reading text. Since I already told you what the essay question is going to include, you might be looking for those key concepts as you're reading and start jotting some of this information down. Then from a learner's perspective, you will see why this can be a very valuable teaching tool. I have posted a series of screenercasts just below this video. They are boring as all get out, and the sound didn't record properly. However, they might help you gain some understanding of course content. It is not required that you watch the screenercast, nor is it required that you watch the video, but I guess telling you right now is a little too late. Also remember, class doesn't meet on Monday. You are required, however, to meet with us on Wednesday upstairs in the Student Center on the southeast corner of the building. The Social Science Education Conference, first annual, will be exploring social media from a variety of perspectives. There are 3 or 4 workshops that are available from the 10 o'clock to 10:50 hour. That's the only obligation you have to be there. You certainly can stay at 11 o'clock and join us to listen to the keynote speaker, who will be, I think, pretty entertaining and interesting for you as future teachers. Please enjoy the sunshine. I will see you in about a week. Bye.